This question is saying SF4 is isostructural with. So this question belongs to the chemical bonding. So how we can do? We can find out the hybridization or the shape of SF4 and we can relate this with the remaining options. So SF4, this SF4 is having one lone pair. Sulfur is having 6 valence electrons, so it is bonded with 4 fluorines. So out of 6, 4 are engaged in bond formation and 1 is remaining as a lone pair. So many methods are there by which you can find out the hybridization of SO4. It is easy. So along with 4 bond pairs and 1 lone pair, I can say its hybridization is sp3d. It is sp3d. XeO2F2. It is also having 8 valence electrons. So out of 8, 2 are participating in bond formation with fluorine and 4 are participating in bond formation with oxygen, because oxygen makes 2 bond. I can draw the structure. So XeO2F2, it is having one lone pair. This fluorine, double bond O and double bond O. This kind of structure it would be having, but again I have to say it is sp3d hybridized. CH4. So CH4 is a normal case that we know its hybridization is sp3. It is tetrahedral in shape. IF4 positive. So IF4 positive again. So it is derived from the IF5. So in IF4 positive also it is having one lone pair. So in IF5 there is one lone pair and in 5 bond pairs. So in IF4 positive it is having one lone pair. IF4 positive, it is having one lone pair and 4 bond pairs. So its hybridization is also sp3d. BRF4 minus, it is derived from BRF3. So if we add F negative in BRF3, so I'll get BRF4 minus. So in BRF3 we have 2 lone pairs and 3 bond pairs. By the addition of 1 F negative, it will turn into 4 bond pairs and 2 lone pairs. So its shape will be square planar type. So its hybridization is not sp3d, its hybridization is sp3d2. So it will be octahedral in shape. So I can clearly see that the isostructural species that can have the same structure as SF4 is having, it is XeO2F2 and IF4 positive. CH4 is having different hybridization, different shape, and BRF4 minus is also having different hybridization and shape. So I can say first and third, these two are having same structure as SF4 is having. So answer for this should be option B.